Verse 5. Heaven and earth do not act from the impulse of any wish to be benevolent. They deal with all things as the sacrificial straw dogs are dealt with. The sages do not act from any wish to be benevolent. They deal with the people as the sacrificial straw dogs are dealt with. May not the space between heaven and earth be compared to a bellows, empty, yet it gives a supply that never fails. The more it is worked, the more it brings forth. By many words is wit exhausted. Rather, therefore, hold to the core. Verse 6. The spirit of the valley never dies. It is called the mystic female. The door of the mystic female is called the root from which grew heaven and earth. Continuously, it seems to remain. Draw upon it, and it serves you with ease. Verse 7. Heaven is long enduring, and earth continues long. The reason why heaven and earth are able to endure and continue thus long is because they do not live off or for themselves. This is how they are able to continue and endure. Therefore, the sage puts his own person last and finds himself in the foremost place. He treats his own person as if it were foreign to him, and yet that person is preserved. Is it not because he has no personal and private ends that therefore such ends are realized? Verse 8. The best of men is like water. Water benefits all things and does not compete with them. It dwells in the lowly places that all disdain, wherein it comes near to the Tao. In his dwelling, the sage loves the lowly earth. In his heart, he loves the abysmal stillness. In his relations with others, he loves kindness. In his words, he loves sincerity. In his government, he loves peace. In his business affairs, he loves ability. In his actions, he loves choosing the right time. It is because he does not contend that he is above reproach. Verse 9. Stretch a bow to the very full, and you will wish you had stopped in time. Temper a sword edge to its very sharpest, and the edge will not last long. When gold and jade fill your hall, you will not be able to keep them safe. To be proud with wealth and honor is to sow the seeds of one's own downfall. Retire when your work is done. Such is heaven's way. Verse 10. In embracing the One with all your soul, you never forsake the Tao. In controlling your vital force to achieve gentleness, you become like the newborn child. In cleansing and purifying your mystic vision, you strive after perfection. In loving the people and governing the kingdom, you rule without interference. In opening and shutting the gates of heaven, you play the part of the female. In comprehending all knowledge, you renounce the mind. The Tao produces all things and nourishes them. It produces them and does not claim them as its own. It does all and yet does not boast of it. It presides over all and yet it does not control them. This is what is called the mysterious quality of the Tao.